Out of Valorant points but only have an Amazon gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? Don't worry, agents, because I'm about to show you how to turn that Amazon credit into sweet Valorant points, even though you can't directly buy them with it. Alright, step 1, head over to Amazon and in the search bar, type in Valorant gift card. Even though Amazon doesn't directly sell Valorant gift cards, what we are looking for is prepaid cards like Visa or MasterCard that you can purchase with your Amazon balance and use to purchase Valorant points. Browse through the results, make sure the prepaid card you select is a digital code, allowing for instant delivery, and check the card's restrictions to verify it can be used for online gaming purchases. Once you've found a suitable prepaid card, add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and use your Amazon gift card balance to pay for the purchase. After completing your purchase, you should receive an email with your prepaid card's digital code and instructions on how to activate it. Activating the card is crucial, so don't skip this step. Now, log into your Valorant account. Go to the VP purchase page, select the prepaid card option like Visa or MasterCard, and enter the digital code and other required information from your newly purchased and activated prepaid card. And just like that, you've successfully used your Amazon gift card to fuel your Valorant experience. Get out there and dominate, agents. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Valorant tips and tricks.